Hello everyone. Our next topic is covariant return type. What is the meaning of covariant? Covariant returns means that when we override a method, the return type of the overriding method is allowed to be subtype of the overridden method's return type. What does it mean that whenever we override any method, then the overridden method can have return type as one of the subclass of the overriding method. Let's see this with the help of an example. What is the meaning of covariant return type? Suppose we have a class food. So this is a public class food, and we have the subclass of this food as dog food. Public class dog food, which is extending the food class. So dog food is the subclass of the food. So suppose we have another class as animal in which we have a method seek food and which is returning the object of the food class. Food is our parent class. If we have child class of this animal class, suppose we have this class dog, which is the child class of animal class, and it is overriding the method of its parent as seek food. So it can have different return type than that of its parent. But condition is that the return type of the overriding method can be same as the parent method or the subclass of the that return type. So here return type is food and subclass of this food is dog food. So overriding method can return the object of either food or the subclass of this food. Subclass of this food is dog food. So it can return the return type of whenever it override the method, it can have return type of its subclass. Let's let's do it again. Suppose we have this food class as parent class. After that we have this dog food class which is extending the food class. So we have here two classes, one is parent, one is child. And we have another class as animal in which I have method seek food, which is returning the object of the parent. Parent is food. This method seek food is returning the object of the food class. Now I'm extending this animal class and overriding this seek food method. So I can return the different return type than the overriding method or overridden method. The different type can be either of the subclasses. So here, if the return type is food, so in the overriding method, I can have return type either food or its subclasses. So this concept is known as covariant return type. Covariant return type. So it is possible to modify the return type of the overriding method, and our overriding method is seek food. So it is possible to modify the return type of the dog seafood method to dog food, which is a subclass of this, which is a subclass of this food class, and it is perfectly legal that overriding and the return type of the overriding method can be different than the overridden method. But the condition is that the return type can be subclass of the overridden method, return type of overridden method. So this concept is known as covariant return type.